Good morning, students. Unit 2, 5 landforms. Today, we are going to see what we are learnt in the previous session. So, listen carefully, make a note of important points. This revision helps you in preparing for unit test. Now, we will learn about lesson 2, 5 landforms. Let us see different types of landforms, classification of landforms, and the lifestyle of people in different landforms. In the solar family, Earth is a third planet. It has oxygen and temperature to live. Therefore, we call the Earth as biosphere. The Earth is surrounded by three spheres such as land, water, and air. Let's see the physical features of the land. 5 landforms: mountain, forest, seashore, plains, dry land. The 5 types of landforms in Sangam village were divided on the basis of work done by the people. Out of 5 thinais, only 4 types were permanent, that is Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal. The 5th land, Palai, was formed when Kurunji and Mullai dried up. Students, listen carefully. The 5 thinais are Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal, Palai. Mountains, Kurunji land. A mountain is a large geographical area that rises above the surrounding land with peaks. The mountain and its surrounding are known as Kurunji land. This was a hilly forested terrain rich with flowers, birds and wildlife. Next, we are going to see about the theme, people and their occupation, the soil of Kurunji land. Here, the word theme is nothing but Karupurul, deals with the god, people, occupation, plant, flower, animal, bird, and musical instrument. Let's see one by one. The god of Kurunji land is Murugan. The people who lived in the Kurunji land were called as Kuravar, Kurathiyar. Their occupation is hunting, gathering roots and honey. The plants and flower grown in the Kurunji land is bamboo, vengai, Kurunji flower. The most common animal and bird of Kurunji land is monkey, deer, peacock and parrot. And the musical instrument is Kurunji yar. See the people and their occupation of Kurunji land. According to their occupation, the people are referred with titles. For example, soldier are known as Porupan. Leader of the tribe, weaponist, are known as Verpan. Master of martial arts, that is the arts of fighting, are known as Silamban. Hunter and gatherer are known as Kuravar. People of the mountainous forest were called as Kanavar. The soil of Kurunji land. The land of Kurunji was composed of red and black soils with stones and pebbles. Pebbles is nothing but a smooth round stone that is found in the water. See some important points related to Kurunji. Listen carefully, it may come in your unit test. The mountain and its surrounding are known as Kurunji land. The soil of Kurunji land composed of red and black soils. The people who lived in the Kurunji land were called as Kuravar Kurathiyar. The god of Kurunji land is Murugan. The occupation of Kurunji land people is hunting and gathering honey. Forest, Mullai land. A large area covered by trees is called forest. The forest region is referred as Mullai land. This region is also called Simbulam due to the presence of red soil. Mullai is the land of the forest. The forest is rich with lakes, waterfalls, bamboo and sandalwood. The god of Mullai land is Thirumal. The people who were lived in the Mullai land were called as Idayar, Idaichiyar, Ayar, Aichiyar. Their occupation is cattle rearing, gathering fruits, sowing millets. The plants and flowers grown in the Mullai land is Goa, Mullai flower. The most common animal and bird of Mullai land is bear, rabbit, parrot. And the musical instrument is Mullaiyar. The people and their occupation of Mullai land. Milk seller are called as Idayar. Cattle rearer are called as Ayar. The soil of Mullai land. The land of Mullai has red soil with the stones and pebbles. It is similar to Kurunji land. In Kurunji land also, it's composed of red and black soils with the stones and pebbles. But in Mullai land, only it has red soils with the stones and pebbles. Important points of Mullai land. The forest region is referred as Mullai land. The god of Mullai land is Thirumal. The musical instrument of Mullai land is Mullaiyar. Idayar means milk seller. Mangrove forest in Pichavaram. Malai forest in Nilgiris district. Reserve forest in Kanyakumari district. Shola forest in Coimbatore. Then the third land is field, Marudam land. The vast flat land on the earth is called plain. The crop fields and their surroundings were known as Marudam. The agricultural land and the area around it. It is named after the flowering Marudam tree which grown in agricultural areas. Now let's see the theme of Marudam land. The god of Marudam land is Indiran, otherwise called as Vendan. The people who were lived in the Marudam land were called as Ulavar, Ulathiyar. Their occupation is farming. The plant and flowers grown in the Marudam land is Kanchi, Marudam, Lotus, Kuvalai. The most common animal and birds of Marudam land is buffalo, crane. And the musical instrument is Marudayar. The people and their occupation of Marudam land. Small landfarm are called as Uran. Farm worker, that is, those who work in the agricultural field were called as Ulavan. Merchant were called as Kadayar. The soil of Marudam land. The land of Marudam is formed of alluvial soil and red soil. Important points of Marudam land. The vast flat land on the earth is called plain. The crop fields and their surroundings were known as Marudam. The god of Marudam land is Indiran. The occupation of Marudam land is farming. The land of Marudam is formed of alluvial soil and red soil. Sea or seashore, Neithal land. The salty water body that covers a large part of the surface of the earth is called sea. The sea and the area around the sea is called Neithal. Students, it's clear now? Neithal refers to the sea and adjoining lands. Let's see about the theme of Neithal land. The god of Neithal land is Varunan, otherwise called as rain god. The people who were lived in the Neithal land were called as Parathavar, that is fisherman. The plants and flowers grown in the Neithal land is Punnai Sengandal. And their occupation is fishing. The most common animal and bird of Netherlands is fish and seagull. And the musical instrument is Villarreal. People and their occupation of Netherlands. Seafood vendor and trader are known as Serpen. Who thrive on coconut are known as Pulamban. Sea warrior and merchant are known as Parathavar. People who thrived on fish culture are known as Nulayar. Salt cultivator are known as Alavar. The soil of Netherlands. The land of Netherlands is made up of saline soil. Important points of Netherlands. The sea and the area around the sea is called Neithel. The god of Netherlands is Varunan. The occupation of Netherlands is fishing. The land of Netherlands is made up of saline soil. The music of Netherlands is Villarreal. The last land is dry land, that is Palay land. A dry region with less or without rainfall is called a dry land. The sandy land which undergoes drought is called Palay. When Kurinji and Mullai dries up, it is called Palay. Students, Palay does not have a separate landform, whereas the Kurinji and Mullai land dried up drought were referred to as Palay. Let's see the theme of Palay land. The god of Palay land is Kottravai, mother goddess. The people who were lived in the Palay land were called as Yeiner, Yeitier. And their occupation is cattle lifting. The plant and flowers grown in the Palay land is Uringai, Palay. Plant and flower grown in the Palay land is Uringai, Palay, cactus and ilupai. The most common animal and bird of Palay land is tiger, elephant, eagle. And the musical instrument is Palayal. The people and their occupation of Palay land. Maravar, noble warrior, hunter. Noble means a person who always honest and charitable. Yeiner, warrior. Warrior means a person who has experience and skill in fighting. The soil of Palay land. The land of Palay is sandy and saline. Important points of Palay land. The sandy land is called Palay land. The god of Palay land is Kottravai. The occupation of Palay land is cattle lifting. The land of Palay is sandy and saline. Name the 5 Thinais. Let's see one by one. Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam, Neithal, Palay. So children, today's revision class is over. Go through the lesson and study all the book back questions along with revision questions.